Hi guys, definitely Mario here. Today we want to add the multiplayer functionality to our interacts. And we have to fix a mirror bug I discovered. Let us begin with the minor bug. Let us start. We only need one player for demonstrate it. The light switch not work. You see, I can press E like I want, nothing happens. And the reason for that is pretty simple. We have not defined has power, and has power will always give false back. So it will never return we have power. So let us fix this short. We have to cast Z to BP Fusebox. Connect here, connect here. A little bit more room. Get active and give it back. So if it active, it has power. This is not active. It has no power. Let us see it fixed our problem. We activate the fuse box, we press lights, and the light is here. So now the next problem we have is the light is not multiplayer ready. Let us look with 2-player into it. Start server, join server. I will make the light on. We see it here totally. And if I come with my client, you will see there is no light. We cannot see it. So we have now different methods to fix that. But I prefer the method we not fix only the light, we fix our whole interact process. What I mean by this. You see here, we press our interact button. We checked if the interface interactable is on it. We check can interact. And if it can interact, we make the interaction. So this type of code has to run not only on the activator. So the activator could be a client, it could be the server, we doesn't know. But we have to rely on this. But for us, it's only important this, because if we make this right, this will ever be right. So, okay. What we learn on this, we need a server and we need a multicast. So first, let us create a custom event. Let us call it SR, interact. So it will be run on server, SR, right uppercase, interact, right uppercase. So next we need one more function, multi interact. So now we have to look what needs multi to run this. We need a target from type DPI interactable. So let us tell him he needs a target, and here you see BPI interactable. So the server has only to run our multi interact. And we connect this to pins. So why did not all interact on here? Did I miss something? Error. multi interact. Now it's called target. Maybe a timing issue. So, okay, now we need this. Place it here. Connect both of them. Remove this. And here we want our server function. So we need to connect this. The charm of it is all things we will implement in the future with an interaction will normally now run out of the box because we did this small adjustment on the code. Let us compile and save. Get into the game. Let us start the server. Join the server. We wait for joining process. It takes a bit. Now we will again so now we have the light on. We go to our client, bring it back here, and we see that the light is not on. Short moment, please. I found the issue. First one, we should make it reliable because it's a send of one action, so we can make it reliable. We can rely on it. If it would be a massive send, so we better not check reliable. The second error is the multi-function I not declare as multicast and not reliable. So now let us do it again. Start lobby, join lobby, activate the light. Light is on. Exit client, and you can see the light from here. Light is on. What's now is not synchronized is the state of the Fusebox. So I have to activate the Fusebox. Again, you see now the light is off. And I have to activate the Fusebox again because the state is now flipping between each activation, but it's not rely on it. So in the next video, we will fix that. This video was a little bit short and now, but we make progress. So I wish to remember you about the polling on my Patreon. It's totally free. Some of you have voted until now. I would like you to encourage to give me your vote so you can influence on the progress for our first investigation tool. Yeah, see ya. Have a nice day.